You know I've been wanting to prove with you. Girl, speak your mind. With you. You've been thinking all of this time.
Groovy on a Sunday afternoon. Really couldn't get away too soon. I can't imagine anything that's better. The world is ours whenever we're together. There ain't a place I like to be instead of moving down a crowded avenue. Do it, anything we like to do. There's always lots of things that we can see. We can be anyone we like to be. And all those happy people we could meet just moving on a Sunday afternoon. Really couldn't get away too soon. No, 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 no. We'll keep on spending sunny days this way. We're gonna talk and laugh our time away. I feel it coming closer day by day. Life would be ecstasy, you and me endlessly moving on a Sunday afternoon. Really couldn't get away too soon. No, 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 no.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way, from where we began.
You know we started.
Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Let me tell you.
When I see you again.
First you both go out your way and the vibe is feeling strong. And what's small turn to a friendship turn to a bond. And that bond will never be broken, the love will never get lost. And when brotherhood come first, then the line will never be crossed. Established it on our own when that line had to be drawn. And that line is what we reach, so remember me when I'm gone. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
Let the light guide your way.
I may be just a foolish dreamer, but I don't care, 'cause I know my happiness is waiting out there somewhere. I'm searching for that silver lining, horizons that I've never seen. Oh, I'd like to take just a moment and dream my dream. Oh, dream my dream. Whoa. Everybody can be what they wanna be. Oh, I like to greet the sun each morning and walk amongst the stars at night. I'd like to know the taste of honey in my life, in my life. Well, I've shared so many pains, and I've played so many games. Oh, but everyone finds the right way, somehow, somewhere, someday. And clear, and I found the love that I long to see. People can be what they wanna be.
Gang, gang.
Why you have to go so soon? It seems like yesterday we were hanging around the hood. Now I'm gonna keep your memory alive, like I always should. A lifetime of memory going down the drain. I like to keep stepping, but I can't get past
facts for a second. Listen to his homie. Could you tell him I am the legend of delivery? So his son will know. If that Austin just got his flag.
Lifetime of memories. Going down the train. I'd like to keep stepping, but I can't get back. My body to your memory. Take a drink and I start to thinking back. I wonder soon we'll be hanging out. This is for my homie. This is for my homie. See you when I get there. And thanks to this is for my homie.
Song dedicated to my homies and that gangster. Tommy from Master's Touch. My boy YB and my boy EB. And whoever else out there got a homie that's in a gangster league. And also my boys in the pen, nigga.
What's up, nephew? Sitting there chatting game with my badass. Get the misconception of us. Cause we so cold and what we do. But I really wanna let you know what's happening now. You feel me?
I don't want anybody to get the wrong idea about me. I don't have nothing to hide. I want the world to see.
I'm a gangster. Gangster, do your dance. See walk, homie, yeah. Gangster, wave your hands.
See me, I'm about my money, my paper, I'm about my dollars. Popping collars with the smack and he slacking these two revolvers. See, we smoking, going horn, cause the bitch ain't never to me and stay selling. So I never let it get to me. The shit to me is simple, it relies on credentials. We credible individuals ahead of you, we original. Better known as criminals, thugging off on the stereo, killing them on the radio. Some of them wanna hate me though, cause they can't see me though, and here we go again. The jealousy took you over success, just keep you slow a while. You get nothing, we keep getting more. Pump the jammer, drop the top. Hit the switch and smash down the block. And oh yeah, it's Long Beach, so you know when you see it. And don't never get the wrong idea.
Yeah, what?
Holla.
I don't want anybody to get the wrong idea about me. I don't have nothing to hide. I want the world to see.
I'm a gangster, do your dance. See what? Gangster, wave your hands. I keep my khakis creased, hat tilted to the east. On the bitch, I remain the beast. None the least, police try to cuff me and stuff me in the back of they patrol car. Cause I'm a former parole star. With the cool name, this here's a fool, man. Go and do your thing. Gang bang in the hood and in Hollywood. Record company executives think it's all to the good. Get to showing me around their house. Then he slide me in the back and had the nerve to try to buy me out. Check this out, man. I'm down with P and DRE. A real from the mother LBC. I just look like this. I stay down for the twist. I'm real with this. Deep as a I gave you a pound, then I gave your wife a kiss. I had to dip cause y'all was full of that bull.
I don't want anybody to get the wrong idea about me. I don't have nothing to hide. I want the world to see.
I'm a gangster, do your dance. See what? Gangster, wave your hands.
I don't want anybody to get the wrong idea about me. I don't have nothing to hide. I want the world to see.
I'm a gangster, do your dance. Gangster, wave your hands.
I don't want anybody to get the wrong idea about me. I don't have nothing to hide. I want the world to see.
I'm a gangster, your dance. See what? Gangsta, wave your hands.
They got the shook, they got the shook, they got the shook. Oh, my little